Welcome to Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. When I take video of kitty cats, they are always cute. But this, I think, is just like super cute. We have two kittens. They're both 6 months old. They are sisters, and isn't this adorable? We have on the left Paulina, who is a calico, 6 months old. And on the right is Trixie, who is also 6 months old. A 6 month old kitten. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? This is just the cutest little thing. They are so sweet. They are for adoption here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. A little basket full of kittens. What could be cuter than that? Paulina and Trixie. Two 6 month old female spayed kittens available here at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. And incoming, we have a special guest appearance by, this is Featherfoot. We'll be showing Featherfoot in a separate video. Featherfoot, you will have your camera time, I promise you. If you're interested in seeing Featherfoot, just search under that name. Thanks for watching. I tell you, that is cute. That is cute.